Right, we are just at Iklama beach. This is the town next to Marmaris. Absolutely beautiful, completely different to Marmaris. Really quiet. Still busy, quiet, but it's got more of a classy feel. So if you want something where they're not really pestering you so much, this is a nice little place to come. A lot of these Sunbeds are owned by the restaurants or the hotels. Yeah, just take a look, see what you think, guys. Just gonna see if I can zoom in and you'll see Marmaris. That's Marmaris down the far in there. One thing I must say is there's a lot of police around, so it does make you feel quite secure, but it's safe here. A lot of police just walking around. As you can see, a few signs that say who the Sunbeds belong to. Now, if you're like us and we've come to visit for the day, we just decided to go plonk our bums on a couple of Sunbeds, and one of the lifeguards come over and said this is part of the hotel, and they charged us 60 Turkish lira, which I think is about £3 for 2 Sunbeds. That's facilities to a shower, toilet. If you want any refreshments, you can buy refreshments from them. And basically all the way along, that's how it works. Some of the bars and restaurants are offering it for free, as long as you spend some money in the bar or the restaurant. You get all their facilities, which is the sunbeds, showers, toilets. So yeah, very nice, very nice. The weather today, they say it's going to get up to about 28, 29, and it's like this every day at the moment, so all there is sunshine, no clouds. Can't complain one bit, can you? Absolutely lovely. This is the beginning of June as well, so can you imagine what it's going to be like September, August, September? Absolutely scorching. A lot of streets that come off it, a lot of shops and restaurants, but I'm going to do another video and have a little look at that and show you what it's like. There we go. So, I'm saying about free sunbeds. With people that just come and save you. Yeah, you could do it that way if you wanted. We just don't know how long we're staying for, so. Efes is the local beer here. Really cheap. Actually, I can't even tell you how much it is. Only just buy it with like whatever else we're buying. I think it's only like 26 lira, 30 lira, which is next to nothing. Another one, free one. This restaurant. Lovely. Yeah. Here's where we've plunked up. Aqua Hotel that is. Now they charged us 60 Turkish lira. When we first come onto the beach, a man approached us saying, oh, I've got these sunbeds, 100 Turkish lira, and the only thing that put us off was it was right next to the water sports section, so if you wanted a quick dip, then you don't want boats coming backwards and forwards, and yeah. this, beautiful. More boat trips.
You're right, nice to see you again.
Yeah, thank you.
You see, I remember you.
Yeah, I've been texting, haven't I?
Yeah. I know that this is all this.
Yesterday we done Turtle Beach. I will upload a video and show you what that was like. That was amazing. Yeah, show you who we went with. Now we booked like through one of these travel people, and it cost us 25. It worked out £25 each for me and my partner, and our child went for free, which is pretty good. But the boat that we were going on, they actually sell them themselves. If you keep walking around and you realise what boat it is that are actually gone off, they were selling it for £19 each. I was talking to a couple on the boat and they got charged £35 each, so the price is just, it's getting it down to what you can get it down to, or just go directly with the boat, and that's what I'm going to show you, where to go, how to get it cheapest. Go directly to them, there's no commission. Have a little look at these huts. Ah no, security. I don't think they'll let you on, even if there's anyone to go and have a look. These huts basically. Like rata furniture on the inside, really nice. Bath the hotel, that one. More boat trips. There's that Turtle Beach that I was telling you about. It's a long day though, that Turtle Beach we done. I think it was 10 AM and you can get picked up from your hotel, and we think we got back at 7 PM. It was a long day, and there's food on board. You can get as much food as you want, drinks. Actually got a kitchen on board, brilliant, hot food. Yeah, that'll be another video so you can check that out. Really good, and you get to do the mud baths as well, part of the trip. That was really fun.
Bazım yok ki abla.
Right, that's me done. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe, it really helps. And thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.